Hey y'all, it's Debbie, your girl with pearls, and today I'm repurposing an old fall wreath. What I'm going to do is upgrade it, if you will, by adding this cute fall truck from the dollar store. So what I'm going to have to do is remove these 4 sunflowers, and I'm going to use a hairdryer to melt the glue. This is a much easier way of getting it off rather than tearing them all apart. Then I can reuse them on other parts of the wreath. So you can see it just melts the glue and it peels it right. You can peel it right off. So I can repurpose them. And that might just be enough. So now what I'm going to do is just put some glue down and glue this to the side of the wreath. Just applying a little bit of pressure. I'll tell you, the Dollar Tree is doing a really good job this year with fall. I mean, I can't believe it was only $1 for that cute little red truck, and it's really gonna upgrade this wreath. Now, I'm gonna use 3 different ribbons. Because the little red truck had on, it's got a little glitter on the Happy Harvest part, I decided to add the glittery tubing to the wreath. But first I'm doing burlap. I'm just folding it over. I'm going to make a decent size bow for the back. And I'm going to layer it with the plaid. And then the orange glitter tubing. And that looks like a good size. I'm just making a little slit on either side so I can put the pipe cleaner around it. And because I'm layering it, I'm going to go up into the front, so after I tie it down, I can tie the next 2 on top of it. I worked for a florist for about 2.5 years, and I think I made 1,000,000 bows in all that time. And there's many ways to make them. You want to make sure you have nice big loops, and you can twist them all around. Now I'm going to do the same thing with this pretty plaid. And each of these ribbons were only $1 for the roll. Just a little slit in either side. Don't cut all the way through. And I like using ribbon that has wired edges because you get a much better shaped bow. Now I'm going to add my third layer. I'm going to put in the sparkly tubing. And as I fluff the bow, I'm going to move each loop in and throughout the layered ribbon so it weaves in nicely. Well, there you go. I hung it on my pantry closet so you could see it, but that is for my front door. If you like this video, please like and share it, and come on back and see me again. Thanks for watching.